Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As promised in my grocery haul video, today I'll be showing you how I make my ginger garlic paste as part of my meal prep. Sorry. If you haven't seen my grocery haul video and you would like to see it, I'll put a link to it in my description box below, or you can click up on the eye. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And with that said, let's just jump right into the video. What you'll need to make the ginger garlic paste is garlic. Obviously, I have 10 bulbs of garlic here, some ginger. The amount will depend on how much or how little of the ginger garlic paste you want to make. I want to make quite a bit and then store it in the freezer just for last minute, to make last minute meals and stuff. And you have to just make sure that the garlic is more than the amount of ginger. That's why there's so much garlic and just a little bit of the ginger. The other thing you'll need is a cutting board, a blender, a container to put it all in once it's all done, a knife obviously. So here is all the garlic. I've left it whole just because it's just gonna get blended and then there's no sense in cutting it. I have my ginger nice and peeled, and I've chopped it into smaller pieces. They're not uniform by any means. Again, it's just gonna go into the blender, so it will be fine. Just a pinch of salt, some water just to get things going, and oil again just to get things going. The reason why I have the ginger cut up into smaller pieces just because the fiber on the ginger is a little bit tough, so this will just make it easier for the blender to blend it all up. Here it is, all nice and blended. You have to make sure it's all nice and smooth, there's no large chunks. Make sure you keep scraping down the side of the blender to make sure there's no large chunks sticking on the side. And yeah, I'm just gonna put this into this container. So here is my ginger garlic paste in all its glory. So normally when I'm cooking, I'll use a 1 tablespoon of the ginger garlic paste. This is a teaspoon, but I'll use a tablespoon when I'm doing the cooking. And the dishes don't turn out very garlicky or anything like that. Stay tuned for my next video and I'll show you how I'll use the ginger garlic paste while I'm doing my cooking. And yeah, that is it for my video today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.